Hello, everybody. So today I'm going to show you how to use your digital card. I'm going to give you two examples of how to do it. Remember, we've been designing in Canva, kind of starting with the basics. But however, if you want to, take it to a whole nother level, you can. You can self-host this. You can create a WordPress landing page or whatever to act as a virtual business card. So, what is a virtual business card, Lady Hell? A virtual business card allows you, for example, let's say you ran out of cards or something, and you can tell them, hey, you can scan this QR code or you can tap the bag. Okay, we do have the NFC stickers where you're able to put them on there, program them, or you can put them on the back of your business card for those who have phones who are NFC compatible. But we're not going to do NFC today. I'm gonna save that for a later date because you can get so creative with NFC cards. Even do the part where it's like at home, like printing if you wanted to do that. So today we're using Canva. I'm gonna show you how to. I'm gonna show you how to use your digital card in this episode. So let's go. All right, I have my phone on here. Let's turn it. Let's turn her back on. Okay. And hopefully she'll come on screen. And it doesn't look like she's on screen, but we'll turn her on in just a second. Okay. So the first card that I'm going to do, I'm going to do my personal card. Okay. So you can just see exactly how it works, and I'll show you again in another design how. I need to add a. Okay. So here, I'm going to click here. Okay. So what I would do, especially, I send you the like an edible template if you want to change something. But if you do want to change something, you do have to update your links so everything will go on my page. It'll go to the right stuff. But on yours, you need to update your QR codes to go accordingly. So here we go. Let's say I'm out and about and somebody say, hey, you got a business card on you or something like that. And I'm like, hey, get your phone, scan this. All right. As long as they have like a QR code or something like that installed, iPhones can read, all iPhones can read them. However, Androids most have them, but if not, they can download the app QR code. Most people have it because we use it daily, but they can download a free app. It's tons of free apps. So I'm just gonna fix it where my phone is reading it there. Okay, so here we go. And let's say, for example, I'm holding a picture of this on my phone, and I say, hey, scan it. So if I get my QR code and I boop, as you see on my phone, it's gonna come up. Once it comes up, it's gonna take them to my thing. So if they like, hey, I want to follow you. Okay, here's my email address. You can go ahead and send me an email right now. They can click on it. It's gonna open up in mail. It's gonna automatically be filled out to me. They put their subject and say, hey, this is such for the thing, blah blah blah. Right? You have instant that. So for another example would be, okay, hey, you have a Facebook? Yeah, follow me on Facebook. Click on my face. There you go. Here, scan this. Boop. Scan this. It goes to the Facebook, and they're able to go to your page and like it. This one is what's this? Instagram, because I have Instagram too. So you go to the Instagram. Boop. They're able to follow me, and it's gonna open up the things there. YouTube, yes, I do. Ah, what? Yes, follow me on YouTube and see this, that, and the third. Okay. And so it goes to this particular YouTube, and also it does still have my things right there. Also, you want to visit my website. What's your website? casocial.com. Hit it right there. Boop. And once it goes on there, of course, they could go to my thing. If I wanted, wherever I want that link directly to go. And actually, I wouldn't want this to go directly to my homepage. I always, sometimes, because I'm gorilla with it, I'm just like, hey, okay, what do you want? You want to consult? And I can put the link where it goes here. And that's probably what I should do. Somebody won't get confused or whatever. So I have, my little packages or whatever that I'm offering there. Okay. and so it'll go to my website. Then from there, no, it just didn't. Oh, there you go. Okay. So if I say, hey, I'm somewhere, I'm like, they're listening to my podcast. They're like, oh my God, you got a podcast? Da, 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 I want to follow it. Okay, what do you listen to your podcast on? Oh, I listen to it on Apple, or I listen on Spotify. I'm on iHeart. Okay, boop, scan this right here, and just click on that Apple thing while you're talking and having conversation, and you can have them. It'll open it, and boom, they can already follow you. Whatever, and you can see all my things like that. All right, so on the and so that's how that works. So you can scan these, have these codes scanned to go wherever that you want to. What I always recommend is save them, save whatever page, and I know when I create them for you, I send you all this stuff and stuff like that. I already sent it to you, but I would save these as PNGs. Let me go on my phone and show you what I mean. You could save it as a PNG, send it to yourself. And so what I would do is on my phone, I'm just making sure that you guys can still see my phone there. I'm gonna do another one, so just my phone be on there. 1 second, let me set the link. Audio capture, blue snowball. All right, cool. All right, so now that you see it on my phone, I can go here on Canva, because they have an app too. Ain't that cool? And you can always interchange your things out, your links out, whatever you want to do. So I'm gonna go to my designs, and I'm gonna go here. And once I go here, I'm gonna go download, save as image. Oops, there you go. And it's gonna save it to my phone. It's gonna save both of the images to my phone. Okay. So once I come out of there, I'm be able to go to the images on my phone, and this is the one that I want to save. So I'm just going to put this in a new album. So I'm going to say add to album. Then if I wanted to do a new album, I'll click new album in this here, right? So for example, for the other card there, I'm going to go and show you this, okay? And y'all scan her, go check her out, follow her on social media, all that good stuff like that. So I'm gonna come out, and this is a card for a realtor. And oh, come on. Okay, there we go. All right, so this creates this card for their profession, and I get excited when I do stuff. So y'all know I'm extra. Okay, now my internet connection acting. All right, cool beans. All right, so on here, I created her 2 different cards. This card right here, let's say she's somewhere, she's talking to somebody, and instantly they're like, hey, okay, go to my website, fill out the information. So boom, she can save this to the phone, and instantly, let's go to my phone. Oh, y'all can't see this page. So instantly, oh goodness, let me go to the page so you can see. I see that. Sorry, I had it on the main page. My bad. So here we go. We're on the page. Okay, she has this is her digital card here. This card right here goes directly to her website, and this one right here goes to the digital card. So she has 2 different ones. Okay. So for example, oh, my phone is already. Let's go so you can see. I wanted you to see that so you can understand what I was doing. Okay. So now when we go to the first card, right? So I'm just gonna scan it. Boop. Am I scanning it? I can't see it. It was just scanning it a while ago. There you go. So it boop, and now we're gonna come in, and it's gonna take me right to her website. So, I can say, she can tell them, hey, you can go to my website, blah, blah, blah. You want to give me a call me, because you click on her phone, her website is going to call me. You can call me from there, yada, yada, woo, woo, woo. And then let's say, she's somewhere or whatever, and, they want like, hey, you got your social, hey, can I follow you on Facebook, blah, blah, blah. So, yeah, scan this card right here. And we go, boop, we scan it, we open it. Once we open, look at this beautiful card come up. So it has her phone number, her office number. So if we click on her Facebook, it's going to take us directly to her Facebook. If we click on her LinkedIn, boop, it's going to take us right to her LinkedIn. If we click on her website, boop, it's going to take us right to the the website. All from that page, all this information is there and is digitally available as well. So, and if the person like, oh, okay, and then she can tell them, just scroll over, and you can click on me, just screenshot this. You can screenshot that as well, because when you screenshot, guess what else? If they didn't have the time, hey, screenshot that. Make sure you go into your QR reader. Okay, you can go into a QR reader and you can hit them cards like boom, and it say scanning. Boop, take you right there. So that's a real cool feature to really have and everything. Okay, so that's the QR code, making it smart, etc. How you use it, and so I hope this has been beneficial for you. And yeah, so I know the other question is like, how do I make this? You did this in Canva. How do I make this? And I'll show you some. God bless.